Team High Voltage.
Yeah.
I'm so fresh.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Getting them stinky.
Oh yeah. Whoa. Hey, could you give me a rundown of all the equipment for the video?
Yeah, sure. I got 6 Sundown XV2 15s and a B-pillar flat wall on 2 Teramp 10Ks and on a 77 amp hour of LTO.
Really?
And then a Mechman 370 all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really good electrical then.
Yeah. Yeah, I just rebuilt it. I had a 44 amp hour and I just built it to a 77.
Okay.
Yeah.
Man. This is a lot more, because I remember you used to have SoundCube, right?
I had the SoundCube HDC 315s. Yep. I got those really cheap, and then my goal was to get these at least in them. Okay. My problem was I never had enough electricity. I was dropping really low.
Really? Okay.
I had a base 12K, and I fried it a couple months ago, so I'm using these two 10Ks for now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where's your amps at? Can I see them?
Yeah, they're on the side. Turn this up.
Right here?
Yeah. I was originally going to do 815s, but if I would have done that, I couldn't have squeezed all this in here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. And these are at, what are they wired to?
1.5.
1.5 on a, is it a 1 or a 2 ohm?
No, they're 1 ohm.
1 ohm,
man. Yeah. Yeah, it's, I had the 12K at 0.67, I think. And, yeah, it was, I like it's nice being wired higher because they don't get as hot.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yep. Awesome. Thanks for the demo, Team High Voltage.
Yeah.
You getting in or am I good?
No, you go ahead.
I appreciate it.
I'm so fresh. Y'all scared to do what I do. Perfect.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.